Orders like the mail, baby.
I'm still gonna send it.
Saturday, Donnie, is Shabbos, the Jewish day of rest.
I look about 10 years older. Anyways, camshaft not getting done today. There is no gasket left on that. And you can't just get the ring, you gotta get the whole plate. So I got it tore down, ready to take the cam out. The old one. Got the new custom Texas Speed right there. It's probably backwards on the camera. But yeah, I gotta wait till Saturday now. I'm just gonna throw the front cover back on, see the back up. I got them. So I can throw the old lifters in and the push rods, I guess. I would probably throw them in the next build because there's nothing wrong with them. And then I got these old Johnson. Oh, there you go. These old Johnson link bar, baby. Yep, we big time now. So I'm gonna throw them, let them soak too. Also got a trunnion kit because them are the stock bearings that could come apart. Probably they haven't yet. So I'm just gonna take them apart anyway and put them in there just for peace of mind. Also got a dope new fucking cover because I thought I was like leaking oil from the rear main or like up there. No, it was from there. That seal for the knock sensors must have like cracked or came up and was just blowing oil back there. I thought it was like this sensor, like all my whole whatever I got going on there. So I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. Oh yeah, you can see the rust really on there. I don't even remember what really happened the last video. It runs. I'll probably insert a couple clips of it running, doing its thing. But yeah, I'll probably insert the clip when I took my mom for a ride and when I noticed something was definitely wrong. Got it back, and then when she went home, I compression test. Pretty much all of them were down except two of them. Two of them were at like a good 9 to 9.5, 9 to 1, and the other 6 were like 7 to 1. So ripped the heads off. They're 317s on a 5.7. So I mean, compression's already gonna be kind of low, and it had thick head gaskets, like real thick. And I beat the absolute piss out of it for like 2-3 years. So it didn't owe me nothing. I'm wondering if like some of the valves just finally tweaked just a little bit, didn't seat right. No big deal. I'm not stressing about it. So then I did the leak down test, and honestly, it was kind of a shitty compressor that I bought. I already returned it because it didn't work. I couldn't really tell what it was doing on a leak down. So sent the heads out to Hooper's heads. They're not the 317s. I got a set of 799s from this 5.3 aluminum black that I was gonna run, but was cracked on both sides, just in the coolant passages. So I was planning on grinding them out, welding it, and then getting it bored and re-sleeved. But looking at the cost of clean hot tank, bore the sleeves out, put bigger sleeves in it, it's the same price as a dart block. So I'm gonna just save it for the dart block, and yeah, I don't know yet. I really want to know what the limits of this are, because I'm switching from the in-tank setup to a MagnaFuel big. This one was on a car.
Well, no fucking shit.
It made like 1,500 to the wheel, single turbo E85. Got the thing already on it. So yeah, switching to the inline fuel, taking those out, putting the cap back on. Got all that. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got this in too. That's pretty cool. I'll probably insert some clips and some pictures. I only got pictures, I think, of doing all this. But yeah, I did some rewiring down here. And if that pump ain't enough for what I want to do, I got another 750 sitting in my room. It's just that one the dude said. I bought the new one, and I was gonna run 2 of them, and I seen the one on Marketplace. He was like, oh yeah, this one ran like 1,500 on the 85 and it's single turbo. So I like, fuck, I'll just run the used one, see what happens, keep an extra. I'm hoping to make some good power. I still got the 1,500cc injectors. Might have to go up. But I'm also going to 10 a.m. line. So I'm thinking more pump, bigger line. Maybe get a little more out of the 1500s. Might have to go up to like their 2200s, or yeah, I don't know yet. We're gonna find out. Especially on the street, I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I know some of these boys running they running pretty fast on a good street. But honestly, I think I got enough for going to Bear Street. If we find a brand new street or something that's really ain't been run on, I think I got enough. But yeah, I got 5 days off of work. Gonna take these lifters out, get them soaking in the diesel oil I got over there. Get my get the Johnsons out, soak them in diesel oil too. That's all I got is extra. I'm not using VR1 to soak lifters. And then I'm gonna put the trunnions in the rockers. Alright, it is May 30th. Got the heads back from Hoopers. Just $7.99s. CNC port, you know, the works. They're billet rocker stands, TSP 660 valve springs, a stainless valve upgrade, bigger valves. Got my lifters in there, special order head gaskets from Cometic, whatever how you say it. Yeah, about to put the lifters in and then the head on, torque it down.
Now we're good to go.
SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Oh, now it's my turn!
Torque it down, bro, torque it down.